Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here with the Insta360 1X5. I tightened up my mirror. I think I'm gonna have to carry an Allen key all the time with me to keep tightening it up. I think I'm gonna have to keep my winter jacket on until July. It is extremely cold again. I'm shooting in 235:1, which is a 20 aspect ratio on Cyberlink. I'm just, hanging over my shoulder. I started my last video, it stopped for some reason because the screen was off. Oh yeah, I think I gotta relook at my settings. I thought I extend my stick out to 3 meters, 10 feet, 9 feet plus, and just ride like so. I feel like I'm a knight jousting, getting that stick just like so, and pointing it right out there and getting ready to get that knight. Oh yeah, look at that light. I'm gonna hit the light post. Too bad it's on follow me. I'm using a, all right, I'm basically, I gotta start the video, set it up out there and get it to where it needs. I did my shoot with the X5 and I'm ready to, go locally home, nice slow ride, maybe get out of the area that's cold. Maybe go down to the inlet over there, see if Mr. Ed is out. So now I'm all set up on the extra Atto and the DJI mic. Did you know that the extra Muse is on a awesome sale for $339, $40 off at extra till May 25th, just about. You don't want to miss out on it. It may even go lower in some other places, I heard. The all-time low was $299. Oh yeah, free shipping as well. You just had to pay the tax. And that was, and still, an awesome price. I am by the marina passing by. Gas is still $6.35 and 5 and change. So as we ride along, it's nice and calm. $5.49 that is. Gas, still $4.55. It's been holding off for that price for the longest. Maybe the tax relief will bring it down some. Well, I am Fish. Welcome to the Insta and welcome to the Extra families. Yes, indeed. That's what these cameras are about. The fun, the share, the ride. I would have loved for the Extra to have two 35:1 like the Ace Pro 2 and the X5. It is what it is, man. I'll do it in editing. Well, I gotta go meet up with Joe. I do gotta take care of my beeswax. I got things to settle. So promises are promises, man. And the way things run today, no promises at all. I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next wonderful adventure. I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, showed some. That's who I am, the Fish.